When people think about moisture in a product, they usually think about how much water is there. But in reality, the amount of water is only part of the story. What really matters is how that water behaves, and that's exactly what water activity measures. Water activity tells us how much of the water in a product is actually available to participate in chemical reactions, physical changes, and microbial growth. This is very different from moisture content, which simply measures total water, regardless of whether that water can cause problems. Two products can have the same moisture content and behave very differently over time. One may be stable and the other spoils, grows mold, or loses quality. The reason is how tightly water is bound within the product. Ingredients like sugars, salts, proteins, and fibers can bind water, making it unavailable for microbial growth or degradation, even if moisture content is high. Water activity captures this behavior in a single, meaningful number. From a safety standpoint, water activity is a powerful predictor of microbial growth. Most bacteria, yeasts, and molds cannot grow below specific water activity thresholds. From a stability standpoint, water activity influences chemical reactions, texture changes, caking, and crystallization. And from a quality standpoint, it helps explain why products fail or succeed over time. This is why water activity is used across food, pet food, pharmaceuticals, cannabis, and cosmetics. It provides insights that moisture content alone simply cannot. When manufacturers understand and control water activity, they move from reacting to problems to preventing them. Water activity doesn't just tell you how wet a product is, it tells you how stable, safe, and predictable that product will be.